Hi, so many people have been asking me how to check if your iPhone is an American or Chinese. I know the majority of iPhone users love American iPhones. I cannot laugh at you because myself I cannot buy an iPhone that is not American. I know you can talk a lot about it, but I came up with this video about how you can check that. Go to Settings, then click on General. After click on My About and check the model number. On model number, there are some numbers you see. Then look if you see double L. If you see double L, just know your iPhone was made to be sold in America. You may ask to yourself why there's an American iPhones, Japanese iPhones, Chinese iPhones, and UK iPhones. It is all about specifications. For example, an American iPhone 14 doesn't have a SIM card slot, while some European iPhones have a SIM card slot. So there are so many reasons why people love American ones, because they may have more special features than others. So before you buy it, just check it like that. Karma. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to get more videos like this.